chasing innovation Dory is a fine choice. This model has a 1080p Full HD camera with real-time viewing and app control, all combined with a portable design with a carrying case. A 49-foot tether is also included in the mix, meaning the Dory can dive up to 49 feet and capture high-quality photos and videos. The device's 1080p camera is paired with two 250 lumen front lights so it can reveal those vibrant underwater scenes. The True Color Restoration algorithm makes sure that images and videos maintain their dynamic hues regardless of lighting. One of the smallest and most affordable underwater drones, Dory is compact. It measures just 9.7 by 7.4 by 3.6 inches and weighs under 2.5 pounds. The device packs a 4800 mAh battery that delivers about an hour of use. It's easy to pack this one in a backpack for those on-the-go adventures of yours. Also included in the mix is the Chasing Go-To app that allows your smartphone to control the drone with ease. You can let it dive, move, hold depth, the whole show, just like a game controller. With dual play mode, you can even share the experience with friends or family. You can use the app for sharing your underwater discoveries too, with quick uploads to social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all the other platforms. Whether you're into diving, fishing, or just capturing the beauty beneath the waves, Dory is perfect for novices seeking a reliable and fun way to explore. At its price point, this model offers incredible value.